Okay, Swiss and mayo
Yeah.
kind of go together.
Okay, lettuce.
Lettuce goes with the mayo and the Swiss in a way, but what the hell is peanut butter doing here? I love peanut butter.
You're gonna love it then.
So this is a Myers family recipe?
Yes. No,
Go.
my parents were supposed to go on a cruise to that triangle that you get lost in, Bermuda. They ended up not going because there was a hurricane.
In the triangle.
So they detoured and they went to Boston.
Yes. It's taken
When
a
they-
really long time to get to this weird
They
thing
went
of
to a
peanut butter.
restaurant and there was a sandwich on it called the Boston sandwich. And my dad,
It was actually called the Boston
yeah,
sandwich?
yeah, that's what they called it there.
Because we Googled this.
I know, it didn't come up. But the restaurant, that's what they called it. It had peanut butter on it. My dad was like, this is really interesting. I'm gonna try it.
So he came home, recreated it at home, and everyone in the Myers clan enjoys it?
Yes, everybody.
Your husband?
Tim.
Okay, I'm gonna fry the chicken. You do everything else.
Oh boy, okay, where to begin? I usually don't do this, so wish me luck.
Oh, you like my sprinkle skill?
Yeah, nice. I can't do it like that, you're good.
So are you just wanting sandwich style pieces?
Yeah, please trust the process.
No, I'm trusting.
This is like Christmas morning for me.
Oh, opening up a fresh peanut butter?
Oh my God.
What's so heavenly about this?
This stuff is magic.
Let's just see this sandwich through, because I've got serious reservations here.
The more the better, in my opinion. Okay, everybody.
So you now have half mayo, half peanut butter.
Half mayo, half peanut butter. You're gonna be okay, okay? You're gonna survive this. Perfect fit. Wow, look at that. Good job, Giancarlo.
Thanks.
Now you should have this beautiful center with the ooey gooey peanut butter on the bottom, melted cheese, bacon, mayo, and lettuce. I love it. The peanut butter hits home.
Well, we just have a peanut butter sandwich then.
With the smoky bacon, it's actually really good.
It's weird.
That's okay. People like peanut butter.
I like peanut butter. I get a sandwich, I put some peanut butter, I put some banana.
I literally did not make this up. I'm not gonna be offended. It's
I'm
okay.
not judging you.
I know, you're stressed. Okay, Derek. Derek's eating.
He wants to lie. What do you think, Derek?
It's very interesting.
Will you be trying to recreate this one at home?
I might do it with like not sweetened peanut butter. Because I think that's
Like natural peanut butter.
natural peanut butter.
It does grow on you.
How are we ending this off?
Not sure. With food,
Yes.
there's like a
Memory.
taste and place sensation, and I think that makes the food taste better.
Definitely a few things went wrong for me today that was out of my control. I should have put more peanut butter, I should have put more mayo.